Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Sparesbox. Don't forget BCW Fibre Pond checkout. Today we're down here at Sydney Dragway for our Summer Nut Slam. It's a 3-day event. It's the Friday today, and it's more of a predominantly drag racing based day today. The plan for us, more or less, is to just get a pass out of the Cresta. I've played around with the rear end a bit and actually put it back to settings we used to use. And all things going well, Matty's also going to be getting his Commodore Ute down the track, so let's see what we can do. we've made a few pretty solid passes today, the best being 8-2. Unfortunately on that 8-2 pass, I did notice a little bit of water coming out from under the bonnet, which was actually being pushed out of the overflow bottle. At the start of the pass, that was empty, but unfortunately it looks like it's pushing water pretty consistently now. So we've decided to pack it up early and keep it safe. However, that does mean that's the end of the event for the Cresta. So the game plan from now is to actually bring the S13 tomorrow, and we'll change it up a bit. We might do a bit of grudge racing, we'll do a bit of Motorcana and just have a bit of a fun event now. Yeah, obviously racing's off the cards, so we've kind of missed out on the finals today. Matty's having a bit of a hit and miss day as well. He's on a new setup now, so he's trying to do a bit of a shakedown and play around with the box, but we'll pretty much pack it up for now and we'll be back tomorrow. So we'll see you guys then. Jesus, this thing's amazing.
What happened?
Are you serious?
The 5 minutes I'm gone, go to the bathroom.
It appears that I have more ambition than ability. I found the one gunner that was on the Motorcana circuit. Luckily the damage is fairly isolated to RIP rotor and the lower control arm, and luckily the lower control arm is one of the only arms we actually haven't changed to aftermarket yet, so yeah, that's pretty lucky that we can basically just throw a $50 arm in it and keep it going. But unfortunately that's going to put our day to an end, and being that that's 2 cars in 2 days, I don't know how keen I am to come back for a third. Well, that's day 2 of Summer Nut Slam in the bag. Took the slam a bit too literally, I think, but had a good time. Massive thank you to Summer Nut Slam, all the people running the event. It's been a really good event considering how quickly it was brought together. Thank you to Sparesbox as always for their support, BCW5 on checkout. Thank you to Valvoline. Also thank you to Adam for lending me his car and taking the damage really well. But we'll fix it up, no doubt. I'll actually be robbing some bits out of Tay Tay to fix it up. I'll probably find one of those rotors somewhere. They're seen to pop up on Facebook. So if not, I'll get the magical 3D printer out and we'll pop it back together. But we'll definitely live to see another day. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.